In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform, a fantastic tool that makes creating web forms a breeze, even if you're not a coding whiz. Whether you're looking to set up a contact form, manage event registrations, or conduct surveys, Jotform's intuitive drag and drop builder allows you to design and customize forms with ease. Let's begin by heading over to Jotform's website at jotform.com. You'll find the sign-in page where you have a few options to get started. If you're already a Google or Microsoft user, you can streamline the process by signing in with your existing credentials. Alternatively, you can choose to enter your email address and a password if that's your preference. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start creating forms to suit your needs. The best part about Jotform is that it offers a free plan called the Starter Plan. This acts as a sort of free trial, giving you access to most features that you'd find in their paid subscriptions. It's a fantastic way to get comfortable with the platform. However, do keep in mind that there are some usage limits on the free plan, such as a cap of 5 forms and up to 100 monthly submissions. Now, let's move on to actually creating your very first form. On your My Workspace page, simply click on the Create button, which you'll find right at the center of the screen. Here, a new window will pop up giving you options, and you'll want to click on Form to start the process. Once you're in, you have the choice between starting from scratch or using one of Jotform's over 10,000 pre-made templates. This extensive library is perfect if you need some inspiration or want to save time. If you decide to create your form from scratch, you'll need to select one of their layouts, either the classic form, which presents all questions in one long page, or the card form, which presents one question per card, giving a more modern feel. After making these choices, you'll be redirected to the form builder. At this stage, you might see the organization settings prompt pop up, which you can configure to suit your needs. And that's about it. You're now set up and can dive into building your form using the drag and drop interface that Jotform is known for. From adding questions to setting up themes and customizing emails, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a small business, educator, event organizer, or just someone with a passion project, Jotform can help you manage your data collection with professionalism and ease. Once you're done building your form, be sure to test it out to ensure everything is working smoothly, and then you can share it with your intended audience. Happy form building!